back, everybody. So you've seen the white truck on the channel a few times. You've seen the white truck doing this. We've hit stuff with it. We've jumped stuff with it. So let's just see how tough this truck actually is, because we're going to go and it's either going to be the end of it, and if it survives today, we're just going to build it. So I figured it was worthy of that, at least if it survives today's challenge. So let's get into this. All right, so first challenge, articulation. Let's see how well this articulates going across the creek, and I'm just going to full send, so let's go.
The hinge is broken, so I might fall out.
Roll the window down.
Well, why would I do that when the door just...
We'll figure that way you can hold on to it better. All right. Articulation challenge, here we go.
Oh, the hole from the dryer!
Oh shit! Forgot about that hole. Oh.
There's the dryer.
All right, we did pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh. All right, so obviously right now the way the truck's set up, if it even survived this, we can't really get through this right here because it'll bottom out and we're not going to make it. So I'm going to take the chainsaw and I'm going to cut some of this stuff out of the way where we can actually get up through here. Like some of this bigger stuff that I know we're going to get hung on, like this tree and that part of the limb right there, we're going to cut off. So that way we can travel through here and get up to some more exciting stuff up above this. So hang tight, let's go ahead and get this cut out of the way, and then we'll come through here and see what this truck's got.
Fender. Yeah. Oh, the door came open. Oh, the bed fell off. I mean, the tailgate. The tailgate came off. Again. It's like every time we film this thing, the tailgate falls off.
Oh well. You know what? This is how we do it right here.
Yep. There you go. Went over those trees like nothing though.
Yeah, I was surprised. I'm not complaining. Well, it just popped right back out again.
Yeah, that one piece is rusted off. Alright. Well.
Alright, we're good.
Yeah.
Now, we'll go up through here. See what else we got. Okay. I don't know if the road's washed out up here or not. I haven't been up here for a minute.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, we ain't making it over that one. Damn, that's a good tree. Those ain't nothing. That big one up there, I don't know if we can move that or not. Let's go try to move it so we can get past it, I guess.
Alright. Oh, don't go in the creek.
Whoa, we can't make it over that.
Is that where you're trying to go over there?
Well, I thought about it, but there's no way. I mean, that's like a 4-foot ditch. Whoa! We are in the middle of nowhere. All right, let's get out and check this out. Hold on. Okay, folks, so I'm gonna get up on top of the truck here, and just so you can see, I mean, look at this. We are way back in here, and I mean, it is absolutely beautiful back here. It's a beautiful day. It got hot, so I was like, you know what, this ain't gonna work. I gotta get cool. But I mean, we are way back in here, so we're gonna try to fight our way back down and maybe hit a couple hills on the way back, and let's just see what we can throw at this thing. So
You want to run?
let's get after it. Hey, let's hit the creek. Why not? All right, so let's get back into this.
Noah, the editor here, real quick, I just want to let you know we threw the GoPro on top of the truck here so you guys could take in the beauty and kind of see just how rough it does get when we go through the creek and whatnot. So yeah, back to the video. Okay, we're rolling.
Okay, so we have thrashed this thing. We have jumped this thing. We have took it through the creek, hit a couple water holes. We have, you name it, we've done it to this truck, and it still keeps going. I am so blown away right now. I figured it would have blown up by now because I haven't changed the oil in it. I probably don't have enough coolant in it, and there you have it. I mean, it just keeps going. And I'm sorry folks, but I got hot, so I had to take my shirt off, and I got it wet and muddy. But hey, you know what? It's part of it. But let's check this thing out. I mean, I can't believe it. Looks like we lost some of the fender, but I think that last jump, we may have closed the gap up right here on the front end a little. Oh wait, here's a hole.
Yep, she looks OEM.
Hey, I can see some material down in there. Looks like we lost some more fender material. I can't believe the frame didn't break. We actually jumped this damn thing.
The frame's actually solid.
Well, that's kind of messed
That's
up.
been broken though.
Yeah, but we really broke it now. I mean, I can see back in here. Hey, there's part of the cab back in there. All right, so this, we kind of, and the tailgate stayed on. You believe that? The tailgate actually stayed on this piece of shit.
On the go fix.
Hold on. I don't think there's any suspension left. I don't think it's got any shocks much left. But hey, you know what? I mean, look, the frame didn't even break on it. Oh my God, should we try to jump it again?
I don't know, maybe in the next one.
I don't know, I'm thinking we could just go up here and try to hit it. Well, we gotta go back up there anyways, so let's hit it.
Okay, it'll be the outro clip.
Yeah, why not?
All right.
We'll just throw it in there somewhere. I mean,
All right.
let's hit it.
All right, let's do it. Oh, grab the tripod. All right, let's go. Okay. Oh, we're gonna get in so much trouble.
Oh well.
Oh, the temps. Let's check it out. Looks good.
I think it's a little warm.
The door.
Do you want to get out and walk to the top and see if we can catch it? Ah, screw it. Let's just full send it.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go, baby! Whoa! Whoa!
Did you finish?
Wow. I think we caught some more air that time. Let's go back here and look at the carnage where we landed. That was awesome. Okay, so it looks like we landed about right here, and I don't know, I mean, I see the dent in the ground, and it just totally freaking flexed the frame on it, but holy crap, I mean, it survived another jump. It totally survived another jump. So, honestly, let's go over here and let's check this thing out, see what we did to it, because it looks like it's sitting a little bit funny.
Yep, there it is.
Okay, it's a little crooked. All right, so on that note, folks, hey, if you like what we're doing, you want to see more of this, you want to actually see us build this truck since it survived, go ahead, like and subscribe, comment now, because guess what? On the next episode, you're going to tell us what we're going to do to that, and we're going to build it. So we want to hear your suggestions. What are we doing to it? We flatbedding it, we pulling the truck off it, we turned it into a crawler. What are we doing, folks? Come on, let us know. Thanks for watching.